How's it? Morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. So it's Monday and we're here in Montclare Johannesburg, going to quickly install a Centurion D6 Smart for Roger. So we're just quickly assessing the site, seeing what needs to be done. Roger managed to fit electrical cable already with the isolator switch. Just received our new steel base plates, so we've got to secure this track here. We'll look at the options now. What we're going to do here comes with the anti-theft. Don't think that the pedestrian gate will be on the way, and yeah. Right, there's the motor. Let's quickly start. So what we have here is the gate motor steel base plate. Then we've secured the anti-theft ears onto it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to weld it into place. This is the generic Smart gate motor anti-theft bracket. First time that we're dealing with generic anti-theft, and let's see how it goes. We've already assembled everything. It was much quicker compared to the other one that we did on Friday. These ones just align up much easier, and I think it's gonna be a winner, but we'll have to see. Stay tuned. Let's have a closer look here. Our steel platform is now in position. It's been double welded all over that we could weld it. The casted concrete block, we did cut it open, a slot into it, which allows for the protrusion of our electrical cable quite easily. Right, so here's the gate motor base plate. So what we're going to do, going to run the electrical cable through it. So that's where your base plate is coming on your gate motor. Alright, so what this allows you to do is to move the gate motor where you need it to be, the correct distance away from the gate, the sliding gate, and in line parallel. Then you can weld it down. So we quickly test fitting it. Gate motor base plate has just been spot welded. Gate motor is in, and then the anti-theft is connected or fitted. And now if we quickly test the gate, you'll see that there's enough clearance on everything. So which means everything's good to go. We're gonna now firstly weld down the base plate, and then we can secure the gate motor, and we can start with the steel gate rail. Let's just quickly have a look here. The motor's been bolted down. The earth wire has also been connected onto the one bolt. The spacing on the gate motor is just what we want. Obviously there's different needs. Gate motor is parallel, it's already tied down. So now we're going to install the steel gate rail. We're also going to extend the steel gate track a bit here at the back. It's a little bit too short. What happens is the gate wheel goes over it, and then the gate can't close. So that's the two stuff that we're going to do now. Let's quickly have a look at our steel gate rail. 450, 500 maximum. And then obviously at the rear side we've reinforced it. You just get past the gate. Pull it open with 2 fingers. So what's left? Electrical connections and then the infrared wireless gate beams. Stay tuned. That's it, all set and done. Gate limits have been programmed, the remotes have been programmed. Let's quickly test it. Gosh, the gate is so small. That's it. If you want your installation done like this, give Pottie a call, 083 778 2288, or Amanda, 083 719 2250. Let me get the cover on and the anti-theft, and we'll show you a picture how it's done how it looks when it's done. Alright, so we're back. This is the generic anti-theft bracket, not the one from Centurion Systems itself. So they are a little bit more cost effective and a little bit more robust, thicker steel and that type of things. Honestly, I think that the gate motor is more secure using these brackets. The time will tell. We'll see where we can improve on their design. Yeah, let's quickly test this gate motor. See that the gate motor stands dead still when being operated. Clients will always ask, what's the noise on a steel sliding gate? Well, one of them are the pedestrian gates. Pedestrian gates like to make a noise on steel sliding gates. So we've installed Sentry wireless gate beams on the steel sliding gate. So if you do accidentally activate the gate and your vehicle is in the way, it will stop. Just like that.